Alright, another quick demonstration here on how to upload your page to GitHub. We've done this multiple times for class where we just upload a single page, but what do we do if we have images? It's not very hard, so I'll take a moment here to show you. Again, if you're having troubles finding your repository or navigating in there, once you're signed into GitHub, go up to the upper right hand corner, click the little drop down menu, find where it says your repositories, and it takes you to this page. And then all we have to do is go up here and click new, and it asks us what do we want to call this repository. Just like we've been naming all of our different assignments in class, we will call this one pictures demo, all lowercase, all one word. And then after that, we are going to click on create repository. Alright, now it takes us to this screen, and we've seen this multiple times through class. We know to go down here to where it says upload an existing file. So click on that, and then here in my little folder browser on my computer I have my pictures demo information here. First thing I will do is click and drag my index file on here, and it shows my index.html underneath, and then I'm going to click and drag this images folder that has all of my images in it. Click and drag that right onto there also, and you'll see it adds all those images bird, images camping, images fishing, all of that. You can put your change notes in here if needed. So uploading my image project along with folder of images. I'll just say uploading image project, and then down here index HTML along with images folder and related pictures. So that way I can look at that later and it'll make sense to me. I'll click on commit changes, processing your files, and then just like we've done before, we'll go up here to settings, and then on the left hand side we'll scroll down here and make sure this repository is currently public, so I don't have to worry about changing visibility. Then on the left hand side I can go over here to pages and go here from branch and select main. This is going to be root, and click save, and then we just wait a moment for that to show up. While it's doing its thing, you can always go back to the actual page of the repository, and you can see here's our code. We've looked at that before, but then up here we have our images folder. We can open that up, and then there's all our images in there. So it's organized the exact same way that it was on our computer. It's only now on GitHub. And then if we go back to pages, and we'll wait a moment, and now it is there. So again, sometimes you have to wait a few moments, and then here's the link. If I click on that, I'm going to open it up in a new folder, and then here is our little web page project we put together using images. So on the links you would share with me, this is one of them, so that I can see the live site, and then the other one is just by going to your repository and copying the page here so that I can find your repository, and that is your repository link. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully it's easy for you, and be happy to help out if you need it. We'll catch you on the next video.